Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Apple's 2024 Mac Mini desktop computer, powered by the all-new M4 Pro chip. If you've been waiting for a compact powerhouse that's as smart as it is stylish, this might just be your dream machine. Let's break it all down. First off, just look at this thing. It's the same classic Mac Mini design we know and love, but don't let its size fool you. This tiny desktop packs some serious power. Inside, you've got Apple's M4 Pro chip with a 12-core CPU and a 16-core GPU. Translation? Blazing fast performance for everything from video editing to gaming to multitasking like a boss. And let's talk about that unified memory. You're getting 24 gigabytes of unified RAM, which means buttery smooth performance no matter how many tabs or apps you've got open. And for storage? 512 gigabyte SSD for lightning quick file access and loading times. Honestly, no more waiting for things to load. Ain't nobody got time for that, right? Now here's what makes this Mac Mini even cooler: Apple Intelligence. It's designed to work seamlessly with your iPhone and iPad. Got an idea on your iPhone? Start there and finish it on your Mac Mini. AirDrop files, continuity handoff, everything just works like magic. You've got that Apple ecosystem flex at its finest. Ports, anyone? You've got Gigabit Ethernet, Thunderbolt, USB-C, HDMI, pretty much everything you need for your desk setup. Whether you're running dual monitors or setting up an epic home studio, the Mac Mini's got your back. And let's not forget about the versatility. You can connect it to just about any monitor, keyboard, or mouse. Pair it with Apple's Studio Display for the ultimate aesthetic, or keep it budget-friendly with your favorite third-party peripherals. Either way, you're getting a powerhouse that fits right into your space. So, who is this for? Content creators, coders, students, or even someone who just wants a sleek, powerful, and reliable desktop for day-to-day tasks? This is an absolute win. And starting at a pretty reasonable price for what you're getting, the 2024 Mac Mini makes the Apple ecosystem a little more accessible. Alright, that's my quick take on the new Mac Mini. What do you guys think? Is this your next desktop upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tech goodness.